Although hair replacement is a very profitable service, you can't beat the feeling of changing people's lives.
This course will give you all the training you need to be successful stylists with hair replacement.
The videos helped me to remember the steps that I had missed in the hands-on class.
I didn't have the time or money to travel and take the class. It was life-changing for my clients.
I caught that in the class in person, but I didn't retain that. So watching the virtual classes is great for a refresher.
Because there was so much in-depth education and a lot of stuff that I could go back and double check.
So this was easy because I put my son to bed, found a quiet room in my own home, and I spent the night studying.
I think it's great for men or women. It's a great option for non-surgical treatments.
I've gained a whole new clientele that's never been to the salon.
I get to take my client 20 years back because it's really easy to follow and all the information is super helpful.
I didn't have to take time out of my busy schedule.
Save $300 on this course today